Welcome to this video tutorial on the three-tier feedback portal of Jammu and Kashmir Higher Education. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of logging into the portal and providing feedback as a student on your institution and the teachers.
First of all, you have to go to the web browser on your mobile or PC. Then you have to enter this address dhe feedback v2 dot nic dot net dot in, and on the student login you have to enter your university registration number. For example, your university registration number is 1122 KC 2020. Please ensure that you are entering the registration number in this pattern only, because some students sometimes they enter underscore or they enter space in between, uh, so in that way you will not be able to logging into the portal. So make sure that you are entering the registration number in this pattern only, and for the first time you have to click on the forget password option, uh, because no password was shared with the students to ensure the privacy of this system. So you have to click on the forget password option for the first time, then you have to enter your registration number and click on the send OTP option, and this way an OTP will go to your registered email ID. You have to check your email ID and copy the OTP. Then you have to enter the OTP, copied OTP in this. Then you can choose any password and click on the submit option. This way you have reset your password, and now you are able to logging into your student login. So again enter your registration number and your set password. So this way you will be able to logging into your profile, and here you can see that feedback for the college option is available, and the feedback for the teachers will also be available in this option. So I hope you have understood this, and by providing your genuine feedback you are contributing to the improvement of the higher education system. Thank you very much.